Hello students. So coming to the next class of the organic chemistry. So here we study about the homologous series. So what is homologous series? The question will be asked for 1 mark. Okay. So homologous series means series of the organic compounds containing characteristic functional group. So whatever written inside the bracket, not necessary to write, you remember it. Series of organic compounds containing a characteristic functional group having same properties and can be represented by a general formula is called homologous series. Means the organic compounds, the members of the homologous series, they have same properties and they can be represented by the general formula. Okay. Then example you studied about the alkanes, alkenes, alkynes. These three you studied in the previous class only. You studied the general formula and also members. But next again similarly we have the alkanols. Alkanols means we get the alkanol word by replacing E of the alkane by OL. E of the alkane is replaced by OL. So alkanes, from alkanes we can get alkanol, means alcohols. Alcohol series. So alkanes general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Alkanols means one of the H is replaced by OH. Therefore the formula will be CnH2n plus 1 OH. Then formula of the first member is CH3OH, which we can get by putting n equal to 1. So n equal to 1 if you put, we get here CH3OH, which is methanol. From methane. It is from methane. E of the methane is replaced by OL. Okay. So it is methanol, or it is also called as the methyl alcohol. How we get? By replacing one hydrogen of the methane CH4 by OH group. One hydrogen of the methane, it is replaced by OH group, so it is CH3OH. Another point I want to tell you, see in the first I gave 2 pages notes, and next again I gave the notes. I told you to write. This also you should continue in your notes. So whatever here I have written, you should write it in your notes. Okay, starting 2 pages I gave. Again in one video, previous video I gave the notes, that only you should write. Again you continue these things. Okay. The next homologous series, alkanols. Yes, you remember here in the alkanols OL is there, in the alkanols AL is there. So it is also from alkane only. E of the alkane is replaced by AL. This you can see. E of the alkane is replaced by AL. Alkane. E of the alkane is replaced by AL. Okay. So it is the homologous series of aldehydes. So first member is HCHO. It is called as methanol. Methane. It is from methane because one carbon it contains. So methane, E of the methane is replaced by Al because this contains the one carbon atom similar to the methane. Okay. So aldehydic group is CHO. All aldehydes, all alkanols contain CHO group. So how do you write CHO group? CH double bond O, because carbon valency is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds are there around carbon. So first member is methanol, HCHO, means H, here H, C, H double bond O. This is functional group CHO. Okay. Then as it contains only one carbon like methane, it is called as methanol, not EAL. Then CHO is functional group of aldehydes. Another homologous series is alkanoic acid. Alkanoic acid. See here, from alkane E is replaced by oic acid. So E of the alkane is replaced by oic acid. Okay. So this is, it is also called as carboxylic acid. So first member is HCOOH, because COOH is the functional group of the, here I have written COOH is the functional group of the carboxylic acids. So first member is HCOOH. So how you write HCOOH? H, then C, double bond O, then H. Okay. So this is the COOH is the functional group of the carboxylic acids. Now what is functional group? So what is functional group? This will be asked for 1 mark, or what is functional group? Give example will be asked for 2 marks. So everything you write down in your notes. Okay. So functional group means it is the atom or group of atoms which decides the properties of members of homologous series. Means all the members of the one particular homologous series, they have same properties because they contain same functional group. See for example alcohols. So alcohols contain OH group. So all the alcohols like methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, methanol, ethanol, propanol, they have same properties because they contain same functional group. Then aldehydes functional group is CHO. All the aldehydes contain CHO group, therefore they have the same properties. Then carboxylic acids functional group is COOH. So all the carboxylic acids have same properties because of this group. Okay, so means functional group decides the properties of the members of the homologous series. Similarly, another series is ketones. Ketones formula is functional group is CO. So how we write CO? C double bond O, because carbon valency should be satisfied. C 1 2 3 4. So these ketones, they have same properties because of ketonic group, CO group. Other type amines. So amines functional group is NH2. So all the amines have NH2 group, therefore they have same properties. So what is the definition of functional group? It is the atom or group of atoms. Group of atoms, different atoms are there, which decides the properties of the members of the homologous series. It is the atom, only one atom, it may be one atom, because ether, another series is ether. In the next tabular column I have given. So ether is also one homologous series. So ether's functional group is only O. Okay. So ether's functional group is only O. So it is only one atom. Functional group is one atom. Okay. Therefore functional group definition is, it is the atom or group of atoms. More number of atoms may be there, which decides the properties of the members of the homologous series. So you should write the definition for 2 marks if it is asked, and you should give any example, aldehyde, CHO, alcohols, OH, like that. Any one example. Next, characteristics of the homologous series. So this will be asked for 2 marks. Write that, give the characteristics of homologous series. So first one, the members of homologous series are called as homologues. So members, all the members of the homologous series. See for example, alkane series contains methane, ethane, propane. So all these members are called as, each member is called as homologue. Okay. Then second one, second characteristic, the members can be represented by the general formula. So members can be represented by the general formula. Then third one, successive members of the series differ from each other by CH2 group. So successive member means one after other. Each member, okay, first member differs from the second member by CH2 group. Because you know the alkane series. So alkane series, first member is methane, CH4. What is second member? Second member is ethane. Ethane formula is C2H6. So if you differ these two, C2H6, so C2 minus C means 1C. H6H minus H4, 4H means H2. 6 minus 4, 2, H2. So carbon C to C means C is 1 here. So 2 minus 1, 1. So C, then H, 6 minus 4, 2. So CH2 group. Successive member means ethane from methane, propane from ethane. They differ by CH2 group. So example, alkane, alkene, alkynes, alkanols, alkanals, Al. Alkanals means aldehyde. Alkanones mean ketone. Okay, next you are studying these things. Alkanoic acid, that is carboxylic acid. Similarly, amines. Okay, then here I have given some of the functional group which you should remember here. Alcohol, same thing, alcohols. So here alcohols functional group is OH. Aldehydes functional group, OH is a functional group of alcohols. Aldehydes functional group is CHO. Ketones, C double bond O. Just now I told you, C double bond O. Like this you can write, or you can write like this, C double bond O. Okay. Then nitriles, one family is nitrile. Nitrile functional group is C triple bond N. Remember it, nitrile. Okay. So nitrile functional group is C, then triple bond N. Carbon valency 4 is satisfied, nitrogen valency 3 is satisfied. Then ether functional group is O only oxygen. Carboxylic acid, COOH. Then esters, COOR. Aryl halides means COX. Acyl halide is COX. Acyl chloride, COCl. So COCl is acyl chloride. Okay. So similarly amines functional group, main thing NH2 you remember, because you have the primary amine, secondary amine in second year. So primary amine functional group is NH2, secondary amine functional group is only NH. So in general amines functional group means it is NH2 you should write, remember. Then amides is CONH2. Okay. Then these are substitutes of the amides. These are not necessary to remember. Amide means CONH2 you remember. Similarly nitro compounds NO2. Then sulfonic acid SO3H. Okay. So among all these things, important is alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, then carboxylic acid, then amines. These are very important. Those things you should remember, and you write all these things. All things whatever I have given in this video, it should be in your notes. So in three videos I gave the notes. That is, first only I gave the 2 pages photo pic that you should write. Similarly in the last class I gave the about the 3-dimensional picture of the methane. Okay. And then classification of the organic compounds, that you should write in your notes. After that you should write the homologous series from here. Is it clear? So thank you.